In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SLP future while examining the Smooth Love Elixir cost gauge for 2023. And then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource, like Smooth Love Elixir. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Smooth Love Elixir value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will SLP succeed or fall flat? Or for what reason will Smooth Love Mixture value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-02 to 25, plus 2.97% dollar, 0.0032, 2023-02 to 26, plus 2.21% dollar, 0.0032, 2023-02 to 27, plus 2.46% dollar, 0.0032, 2023-02 to 28, 5.23% dollar, 0.0029, 2023-0301, plus 1.66% dollar, 0.0031, 2023-0302, 0.76% dollar, 0.0031, 2023-0303, 3.83% dollar, 0.0030, 2023-03 to 04, 4.69% dollar, 0.0029, 2023-03 to 05, 0.18% dollar, 0.0031, 2023-03 to 06, 4.28% dollar, 0.0030, 2023-03 to 07, 1.07% dollar, 0.0031 Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2023. High expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity, with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023, blemish, 17.03% dollar, 0.0026, 2023. April 28.73% dollar, 0.0022 2023. May 23.80% dollar, 0.0024 2023. June 14.64% dollar, 0.0026 2023. July 6.86% dollar, 0.0029 2023. August plus 1.28% dollar, 0.0031 2023. September plus 11.65% $0.0034 2023, October plus 10.05% $0.0034 2023, November plus 23.58% $0.0038 2023, December plus 26.30% $0.0039 2024, January plus 37.46% $0.0042 2024, February plus 44.00% $0.0044. SLP value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0.0078 in 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0.0068. Smooth Love Elixir value forecast 2030-2040. What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to $0.0195 in 2030. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to $0.0390 in 2040. Will Smooth Adore Elixir surpass Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Elixir won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Smooth Cherish Elixir reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Elixir can reach 10 cents. Yet just in the separated future, after 2030, could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is Smooth Love Mixture worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Mixture a wise venture? Smooth Love Elixir is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Cherish Mixture be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0019. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0195 or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture succeed and become more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are